Hi, today we're going to create this fabulous armature that's going to create a secret garden featuring some splendid blooms. Welcome to LBR Inspires. My name is Sandy Schreck, and here we go on that armature. The first material we're going to use is actually a wire ring that comes in a set of 3 that we sell here. We're going to use some rustic wire in the brown. I've taped some standard wires with the florist tape and the black, and so I have 3 of those done. And then we have the angel vine, bulk angel vine. So it's going to come on here. I'm going to just create a U there, come down, and then coming over the top of our wire armature and tying that on, and then just spacing those out into thirds. And then that becomes our handle. So there you can see the simple armature that's done just with the angel vine. To be able to add a little bit more character to it, I'm gonna add some of the basil moss here, just a little bit of Spanish moss, really kind of pulling it apart, kind of creating a little bit of kind of a nest aspect, but it's just really going to be a great frame to utilize to embed our flowers in. Lastly, I'm going to come just around here with that rustic wire and just finish that up. So next we're going to add these fabulous blooms into our armature. So we have loose openings. I'm going to use my 3 sunflowers first, and that'll give me a great strong base. I'm doing these in a spiral pattern, and I'm turning and always going behind the flower there. So you can see that they do that spiral pattern. And then we're going to add the design element of fragrance, adding some lavender in here. So the next little touch that we're going to add is some of our butterflies. And what this does is kind of animates the design. And I've got some little clip-on butterflies that I can make fly up here in the middle a little bit more, and some other butterflies that are on wires. Butterfly is the symbol of rebirth, and so we are kind of emerging out of everything that's been happening, and it's a great time to really add that fun aspect and just kind of animate your designs, adding that element of the butterfly. Lastly, one of the greens that I've been enjoying using lately is Huckleberry, and gives a little bit more of that garden look, and you can see that it finishes off the back really fast and gives a lot of depth and character to this design. So it gives a little bit more garden aspect. And you can see that it's really captivating using that rim and also the negative space in the middle. The butterflies are one way to add that unique, or another idea would be to use a nest here that I've embellished a little bit more with a little bit of moss. So you can see the nest makes a great addition into that as well, coming in through there. What I'm going to do is use a gathering vase. So my fingers are where the binding point are. I'm going to pull the vase to the edge of the table, and then I can see how to short to cut this so that the stems go to the bottom of the vase. So here's our Splendid Blooms design. I hope that you really enjoy this and take it and utilize that negative space, really kind of spacing your flowers out in that circular pattern and really getting the most out of your blooms. If you like this design, make sure and give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime we upload a new video to our playlist. We have a variety of videos up there, from business videos, live in the cooler videos, and multitude of educational videos. Well, I hope I inspired you to make some fabulous florals. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Inspires.